Here's how to remove and reinstall the headlights on the Porsche Cayenne. So you can either lift this strap or just pull it out. Left and on the right there are the headlight covers. Counterclockwise release. And then some models have the thing in the back. We're going to just push back on it and press forward. With the headlights out, you can do anything now. See my videos for headlight bulb replacement and headlight restoration. For 20 bucks, we turn old, fogged up headlights into gorgeous, like new beauties. On the Cayenne, the seal around the lens also eventually fails. And coming to the channel is restoration of this seal so your headlights don't fog up. My right headlight has this issue. Okay, so for reinserting, we make sure the clip is in the downwards ready to lock position. We simply reinsert the headlight, connect the electrical connector when it's mostly in position. Make sure to align the headlight more or less with the rails. With age, mine doesn't really have a satisfying click. And it just slides into position. And there, we heard it click into position. And there we go, position. We'll just take our tool. On the left side it's labeled. So we insert it, clockwise is tightened. We hear a click. And we're done.